Are you looking for the best smoker box for gas grills in your budget? Well, in today's video we break down the top 5 best smoker box for gas grills that are available on the market. I made this list based on their price, quality, durability and more. To find out more information about this product, you can check out the description below and also make sure you subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the Kaluns Smoker Box. If you are craving for the smoky taste of grilled meat but cannot have it due to the shortcomings of a gas grill, then you can quickly get this smoker box. Furthermore, it adds the flavor of your desire to any piece of meat and enhances its taste. You have to place it under the grill grates. All you need is 10 minutes to set it up. After 10 minutes, smoke starts coming out from its vents and does its magic. Additionally, this model is made of high-quality stainless steel. As a result, you won't experience warping issues. The thick construction material can withstand the high intensity of heat and is also resistant to rust. It comes in a size that fits with a wide array of grills. Moreover, it can hold 6.35 ounces of wood chips at once. Its lid is hinged, which allows you to add wood chips according to your convenience. Moving on at number 4. We have the Weber 7576 Universal Stainless Steel Smoker Box. Made of durable stainless steel, this product is one of the more enjoyable and user-friendly smoker boxes. Like many of those featured here, it comes with a hinged lid, which simplifies the process of adding in extra wood chips while the roast is smoking. A little pricier than some of the others, this is a Weber brand smoker that's compatible with the grills from the same brand. Fitting many size grills, the Weber Smoker Box is a great accessory, whether you're cooking meats, veggies, or more. Aside from the fancy look on the surface, with the unique, widespread hole arrangement, this product is certainly one of the more attractive ones in the market. At number 3, we have the Grillaholics Smoker Box. The Grillaholics Smoker Box is simple to use. Getting started, all you need to do is insert your favorite flavored dry wood chips inside the device. Then, place it as close as possible to the flame, while you kick back and wait for the meat to cook. Suitable for gas and charcoal grills alike, this product comes with a promise from Grillaholics that it will up your barbecue game. At a slightly higher price point than some other options in this list, it's probably well worth the extra few bucks given the large number of wood chips that fit in it. Pretty convenient setup and size make it easy to use on a grill, without the limitations that come with using a larger smoker. The Grillaholics brand is committed to making the outdoor cooking lifestyle enjoyable, even for a novice, and its products are some of the finest grilling accessories out there. Another strong, durable smoker, the Grillaholics Smoker Box is designed to make your grilling experience all the more enjoyable. Wood chips might take as long as 15 minutes to start smoking, which is a bit of a longer window than the other boxes on our list. The product's generous dimensions also make it possible to add in lots of wood chips without having to refill often. You'll build heat and strong smoke easily. At number 2, we have the Charcoal Companion Stainless Steel V-Shape Smoker Box. Available in 2 different sizes, this product from Charcoal Companion is constructed in a V-shape, so it easily fits between the flavorizer bars of gas grills and allows for optimum heat exposure, generating tons of smoke. Its versatile shape also makes it compatible with a variety of smokers and grills. This smoke box is developed particularly for gas grills, which are a popular choice because of their convenience. Similarly to the Cave Tools product above, it comes with a hinged lid that allows you to easily add in flavored wood chips of your choice. The Charcoal Companion is also a great choice for anyone who doesn't particularly enjoy cleanup. The way it's designed, ashes fall to the bottom of the smoker box as you cook. As all residue remains in the box, all you need to do for cleanup is empty the box after cooking and wipe it over. Ingeniously designed, the Charcoal Companion is a durable stainless steel product. Its shape allows for a concentrated smoke flavor, and the V-shape works on most grill setups. And finally at number 1, we have the Cave Tools Smoker Box. This model is incredibly easy to use. It's also very durable, with 25% thicker stainless steel, making the possibility of it warping much less likely than with comparable products. Another bonus to that super thick layer of stainless steel is that it decreases the possibility of discoloring. The hinged lid of the smoker box easily permits adding in a large number of wood chips. You'll avoid having to refill often and be able to keep the lid closed for a longer period. This capacity is also great because more chips mean a lot more smoke for your meat. If you're someone who can't stand handling hot objects, you'll like the lid, which allows accessibility with complete ease, making accidents and burns unlikely. It also comes with free, downloadable access to a barbecue smoking and cooking journal app, which is compatible with iOS and Android. The app has 25 mouthwatering recipes with step-by-step instructions. The Cave Tools Smoker Box is pretty easy to use. The manufacturer recommends not soaking the wood chips first and, instead, placing them in while they're dry. For best results, keep it within reasonable proximity of the heat source and turn the burners to the highest heat until it starts producing smoke. After that, you can bring the grill down to regular cooking temperature. This product is a great candidate for the ideal smoker box. In terms of durability, smoke output, and more, it's a decent choice, even for a beginner-level smoker. Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you like this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure a like, comment, and don't forget to subscribe.